Riding home, whatever they say about it, just I don't care. Caring to my room, smash the door without a single word. Looking to see picture of you reminded me to look at the future. What will be our destiny? I look outside, stare at the stars in the shiny cold outside alone. Look into my telescope, search for the many stars with you. Whatever you are, the dreams or destiny. The winds of wind are carrying us to our future. The hands and the destiny in our hearts. Ask yourself and myself, but who I am in this multiverse. My life is complicated, like the universe itself. Asking myself, what will be our dreams and destiny? The wind will taking us to the future. I look to the night, cold night. I dream about whatever meets you sometime in the future. Whatever our will and destiny will take us, I cannot wait to meet you at the stars of the universe. I look outside to stare at the years, the shiny cold night alone. Looking onto my telescope, search for many stars for you. Whatever you are, dreams or destiny, there's a wind will taking us into our future lands, and the destiny in the hearts. Asking yourself and myself, but who I am in this multiverse. We close our eyes in the sadness and pray our face for my friends and families. Like a black hole cannot escape, there's a hopeless recovery from our pains in our hearts. We can reach out in our multiverse. I look outside to stare at the stars. The shiny cold night alone. Look into my telescope. Search for many stars for you. Whatever are your dreams or destiny, there's a wind will take us. There's a wind will take us into our future in our hands. And the destiny in our hearts. Ask yourself, but who I am in this multiverse. But who I am in this multiverse.